Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C63 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system. Then let's tap on language and region and tap on edit right here. So now we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find the language you'd like to apply and tap on this plus icon next to it. Your device will immediately ask you whether you want to set the new language as the default one. So just tap on yes to confirm. As you can see, the Greek language in my case will be immediately applied to this list at the top, and it is also visible right here. So here we've got, let's say, a shortcut of the languages list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added here, so in this shortcut list, we can quickly change them simply tapping on the specific language you'd like to apply. So I would like to apply English. I've just tapped on it. And now we can just tap on this change, I believe. Now we've got English at the very top of the list, and from now on the system will be also displayed in the English language. We can also remove the languages from this list, because if you feel that you just need one language to be set here, simply tap on edit. And right here in this section, we have to tap on this minus icon next to the language we would like to remove. So I'll pick Greek, and after getting back, you can see that we've got only English or any other language of your choice applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.